So if the request is coming from client1.example.com or puppet.example.com or whatever, if the request is coming on port number 22 on server 1, so it's going to forward the traffic to classroom.example.com. So let's do it. I'm writing firewall happen cmd happen permanent happen add rich, or you can write add forward port 22 proto. Let me maximize the screen. Proto TCP to port 22 to address 172.25.254.254. I am not going to hit enter here. First let me show you what it's going to do. By default it's going to access the server1.example.com, and but when I will apply this rule and I will access the server1.example.com, it's going to the classroom.example.com. So just a minute, let me show you first. So I'm going to close the web browser here, and here I am writing SSH server1.example.com. Yes, Red Hat. Sorry, I haven't specified the user name. This is the default behavior of SSH. It is going to look for the same user. So I am writing root here, Red Hat. Can you see? And see what is the IP address of this machine. See, we are on server1.example.com, isn't it? So let's do exit from here. Let's verify from this host as well, like puppet.example.com. SSH server1.example.com. Yes, Red Hat is my password, IP address. We are on server 1 machine. But when I will configure, let's do exit from here. Now when I will execute this command, what it's going to do, if the request is coming on port number 22, it is not going to define the which source. That means all the source. If you are not defining any source, that means it's going to accept the request on port number 22. It's going to forward to the 172.25.254.254. And if you wish to specify the specific host or network, then you can configure the rich rule accordingly, as we have done this with this lab with the HTTP. So I am hitting enter here now, and firewall happen cmd happen reload. Now you can write list all. So it's going to forward the traffic now. So I believe I have specified to address. I haven't specified. Let's see what command I have executed. Add forward port to address. It looks fine, but why it's not appearing? Firewall happen cmd happen list all. Let's check it out. Puppet.example.com. I am opening another terminal here, and I am writing SSH server1.example.com. Red Hat IPADDR. So it's not taking that thing. It's not forwarding the traffic. Let's see why it's not forwarding. Let me try to do SSH again. Yeah. So we need to define, then I am going to define the rich rule. but it should work. I need to check it out why it's not working. So let me remove this one, add forward port. Okay, there is a typo. See, it will be 2 ADDR, not 2 hyphen ADDR. Let me reload. See, the role is removed now. Now what I am doing, I am going to write 2 ADDR, isn't it? And here at the place of remove, I am writing add. Now it must going to work. Let me reload and let's see the list all. Can you see? Now it must going to work. So let's try it from the puppet.example.com and the client1.example.com. SSH server 1, yes. Offering key for IP, yes. Red Hat. This is the password of my classroom.example.com machine. I believe I have supplied the wrong password. Let's supply the password again. I am waiting for the prompt. Let's try it. See, we are on the classroom machine now. If you can see, this is my classroom machine. And if you wish to see, you can see it from the classroom machine as well. There will be no any connection because I have exit from that machine. Let me show you. If you will see this machine, there is no any connection from the SSH. Now if I will do SSH from here, puppet.example.com, see, if I am writing SSH server 1, it's saying yes, and I am supplying the password of server 1 machine, root password. So previously, if you can see, we have done this lab and we were able to access. Now I am going to show you, it will display there is a one client connected. So it's taking time, that's not an issue. Can you see? Now if you will see from here, can you see there is a one connection from server1.example.com. It's displaying that the client server1.example.com is accessing my machine, but actually this machine is going to access, this machine is accessing, but the server will look what server1.example.com is doing, sending the request. Let's verify from this machine as well, that is client1.example.com. Let's do the SSH. See, previously when we did the SSH, the IP address is this, as you can see. Now let's do the same step. It's saying the authentication has been changed. No issue. What I'm doing, see, previously we were, okay, no issue. What I'm doing, I'm just going to remove the SSH key, or you can just log in as a root user as well. I'm just going to remove the information from here. Now it's going to work. Yes, Red Hat. See, now it will display there are two connection. See, I am on classroom machine. Now let's verify from the server. See, there are two connections from server1.example.com. So this is about port forwarding. It may be on the local machine, it may be on the different machine. So hope this video will help you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching my video.